Hello neighbor, welcome to today's video. Today is the third edition of me making something in Mr. Rogers' neighborhood. Today it is Grandpère, which looks like a relative of Daniel's striped tiger. And it says a French-speaking tiger who wears a jaunty beret. Grandpère lives in the Eiffel Tower in the neighborhood of make-believe. He is the grandfather to Colette, who sometimes visits from France. And it's strange about Grandpère because I kind of remember him, but I don't. I don't remember ever watching an episode of Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood and going like, oh yeah, I saw that cat. But when I actually saw the exhibit, for some reason, Grandpère was the only puppet I had mind to take a photo of. I'll insert a picture of it now. So, it's like, I have a memory, but I don't, which is very, very strange. Also, I didn't really make the connection, hey, Grandpère, grandfather is the French, despite the fact I called one of my grandparents Mamé the entire time I knew her. So, yeah, we're gonna make Grandpère today. Grandpère is done. Which, bonjour. Bit top heavy. Really top heavy. I'm not sure any finger but my thumb can really support this. Yeah, it's like his head is starting to tip down. But it's a lot of fun. This was the first one that I didn't really have the yarn provided from the kit. The kit only provided yarn for Mr. Rogers and Daniel Striped Tiger. So I sourced the yarn, which means this is the first time the yarn is not all the same width, which is why the jacket is humongous, because the green yarn was thicker than the yarn I used to make the body. Not that it matters. It still fits. It's still good. Also, I didn't realize Grandpère was gonna have like more stripes on it. Like, even though they had me do green arms, like there's stripes on his back there, and it broke. I broke it. Boo. I'll have to fix that. Anyway, get yarn that's a little bit more secure. I'm just going to cut this now and fix it later. Yeah. No one saw that. Yeah, no one saw that. Okay. Grandpère wants to get frisky. Okay. That's like... I shouldn't have gone there. Anyway. It turns out I did lose the game of Yarn Chicken, and it didn't go as far as it should go, but it doesn't even matter, because the beret covers where I lost the game of Yarn Chicken, so no one will ever know except you, because you're watching this video and I told you. Also, it had me make an ear, which I guess it's good that he has an ear, but it lost, like, the beret covers the ear completely, so it was kind of pointless. But yeah, I mean, it's not quite the same shade of green that I was I pictured this being, but it's still pretty cute. Like, it's very weird, like, how it's not connected. Like, Mr. Rogers' cardigan was connected, but here you can't ever really take the cardigan off because it's the green, and then, which, that's why you saw me switch to a different hook, because the green yarn was too much for the little hook. And I went and got my own safety eyes for him. I went a little bit bigger because the ones on Daniel Striped Tiger seemed a bit small. I think it was a good choice. So yeah, that's 3 down. We got however many more to go. I forgot how to math. I think there were 9 puppets. I forget how many puppets there were. If there were the proper amount of puppet, like, if I remembered the number of puppets, I would be able to tell you, but I don't remember at this moment. But, yeah, I would be saying words in French, but other than bonjour and merci, like, or bonjour mon ami, or mademoiselle, I'm afraid if I just start riffing French words, I'm going to accidentally find myself speaking Spanish. So, yeah. Anyway, that was today's entertainment. Have a nice day. Alright, I just turned this back on to say that I fixed it, and it's going to be more secure. It's not going to be able to come off now at all, but it's more secure because it's just one piece of yarn. So, making things better.